Welcome to the PSR YouTube channel. Hey, I love YouTube. YouTube's awesome. It's awesome. You should become a YouTube creator. Totally. This video will get monetized. Yes.
Whoa, yeah. We're having lots of family fun now. Whoa, yeah. None of these are real guns now. Whoa, yeah. Also got a Patreon, the link is in description. Got some merch too, yeah, you know you wanna get some.
Thank you for being patient. I think we've stroked the algorithm enough for today. The video starts in 3, 2, 1.
What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of PSR. It is, as always, a joy to have you with me. Today, we are looking at the B&T Mark II. Now, most of the time, I wouldn't really be doing a video on a pistol like this, just because, I don't know, it's a cool pistol, it's neat, but these were like super expensive when they first came on the market. I think they're like 1,400 bucks or something. It's basically a CZ75 clone, made by B&T, and it was originally made by SDP, and it was known as the Sphinx. I saw one of these on sale for $6.99, and I know that's not a little amount of money, but for the price that they originally were coming out as, and the fact that they're, I don't know, they're kind of limited, I thought, you know what, let's just get one. So I got one. If you find them, you know, you look on gun deals, you can find them for the lowest price, and I found it for the lowest price, and that was $6.99 for this guy. So it's basically an upgraded CZ75 with a threaded barrel, same kind of operating system. There is no decocker though, it's just a safety, and the safety's here. And we're gonna shoot this thing and see how it is, and see if it's kind of like a little budget B&T. There's no other B&T you can buy for $6.99, that's for sure. We'll talk a little bit about it, we'll shoot it, see how it is, and then we're gonna try it suppressed with some subsonic 9mm in here. It'll be nice, I think. So before we get started though, I gotta thank the channel sponsor for PSR, and that is Aves Engineering. Guys, Aves Engineering makes all of the slidey bits, the slides, the rails. You gotta have the slide on the rails, and for Glock frames, they're the ones to go to. And you know, the additive manufactured kind, the all so much fun kind that we would get railed by, are totally not DIY. So never use the code PSR for 10% off your entire order from Aves. They also make a bunch of really great Mac stuff. It works with MPA Defender, but also with your squirted frames as well. So thank you to Aves for sponsoring this channel. As I said, this is a CZ75 clone. This is the 13mm thread. It's not 1/2x28, so it's like the Euro style. This does have an optics cut on it. It's the Shield RMS or the RMSC pattern. I don't have an optic on here yet, but that is a goal of mine to get on there. The sight, front sight, is super low profile, like really low, which I guess for accuracy and you know, that might be good, but I've heard people complaining about it. We're gonna see, because I haven't really shot this gun yet. You know, I've just did a couple initial shots just to see, but we're gonna see live reaction, how I feel about it. Initial thoughts on the safety. The safety is not tactile going into safe. There's no audible sound, but going down, you can hear it and feel it going into fire, which I guess I would rather have that be the case than not. I guess you can kind of hear it go up a little bit. I guess there it is, but it's kind of mushy going up, but down you can definitely hear it and feel it. Well, now yeah, it's just more this side, which that's what the side I'd be using for my right-handed, because I'm a right-handed shooter. And so yeah, no decocker, but let's just ghost the trigger and see how it feels. A little bit of travel and break. Okay, so it's not the lightest trigger, but it's also feels a little bit better than a standard CZ75. Yeah, that's a pretty good trigger. Now this is the double action. Definitely a lot stronger of a pull there. Some travel and fire. Nice. So as I mentioned, SDP It's the original makers of this. They went out of business, and then B&T essentially bought all of the tooling from SDP. Chris, also the ones that make Chris Vector, sold these. I think they were as the Sphinx. So this used to be the Sphinx. Now it's the B&T Mark II. Really all they did was they added some cuts into this frame, which is pretty cool because it's basically the slide, obviously steel, barrel and all that, but then this is aluminum and this nice FDE kind of gold anodized color. This part is aluminum, and then the grip itself is polymer. So that's kind of a unique element to it. And I think this is just pretty much interchangeable parts with the Sphinx. It's all the same parts, it's just labeled B&T. You might be able to swap some of the parts with a CC75 as well, but don't quote me on that. Let's shoot this thing, see how it feels. You know, we're doing a quick review today, just see how this gun shoots, and then maybe I'll do some upgrades to it. Don't have a light on it or anything yet, but let's see how it shoots. All right, first mag out of the B&T Mark II. These are CC75 mags. This is the one that was included, the B&T factory mag. Came with one mag and a nice little carrying case. Let's see how it feels here. There's iron sights. Nice. Oh, I like that. Feels pretty good. Let's try to get a little bit further away. Let's try to hit that gong. To the left. Oh. There we go. Nice. Wow. I like the trigger a lot. It's a good feeling. Damn. Okay. Now I've been using the Arex Delta in my competition stuff with the Finnish Brutality stuff, and I really like that gun. But I was interested, you know, maybe trying to hammer fired gun for the next competition, so maybe this will be the one I try. Let's try another mag as fast as I can here. See if we can keep all these shots on target. Maybe got like 70% on target there. Felt pretty good though. Let's get used to the trigger. Pretty good trigger. All right guys, we're gonna try this thing suppressed with our Dead Air Mojave 9 suppressor. This is actually a additively manufactured suppressor, which is of course factory, and it's metal, so it's not polymer, but kind of cool that it is a pointed piece. M13.5 by 1 left hand. So you're gonna screw it on like that. Yeah, it's the Euro style. Get that nice and tight on there. Oh yeah, feels great. Look at that, a little anodized with the freaking titanium look, and it's all sexy. It's super sexy. Let's shoot supers out of it, and then we'll shoot some subs. See how it feels. See how the recoil does, because I'm pretty sure the CC75 is a pretty good platform to use suppress. So let's try it. Oh yeah, baby. Let's go into the berm with the supers. Nice. Wow. Let's take the ear pro off and see how loud that is. Yes, queen, slay. That's really, really not bad, actually. Yes. Oh my God, slay. Bitch, come here. Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah. Slay queen. Let's put the subs in fucking subs. Let's get her. Oh, dick. Holy shit. Well, that is nice. Oh my God. Subs are crazy. It's so quiet. Let's see if we can hit the gong. Now, one thing about these sights, they're a little low for this with this can, so you gotta kind of use a point of reference. Oh, just barely low and to the left. Ah, yeah. Oh, then into the steel. Steel's way louder than the actual sound of the round. You can actually take the end of this can off to make it shorter, which kind of makes a little bit more sense with a pistol like this, but oh boy, this thing's pretty awesome. Woo! Oh, one-handed into the steel. Just a nail driver, bud. Yeah. Was noticing with subs, not locking back. So that's not unexpected. I think maybe the recoil spring or something might need to change that for subs, but with supers it does lock back. Pretty damn sweet. Look at her, got her smoking. Oh, dick. All right, we're gonna try a little reload. I think I got like 3 or 4 in here. We'll see, and see how fast I can do it with this subsonic suppressed. Not bad. This is a very smooth gun, like the slide, the action, it's just smooth. Eject it around there. Let's try another reload here. All right, we're gonna try a little 90 to 100 yard gong shot with the B&T Mark II with subs. Just gonna use the top of the suppressor, which you can do. It's actually got these little grooves in it, which is kind of interesting, mainly for grip, but you can actually use those kind of as a reference if you're shooting without suppressor height sights, which I don't know if they make suppressor height sights for the Mark II or the Sphinx, but I assume that there has to be somewhere. If it's the CC75, they gotta have suppressor height sights. All right, let's do this. Here we go, the gong. Let's see if I can get it first try here. Boom. Easy, Swiss precision. Oh, dick. All right, let's see if I can get the torso to the right then. Oh, end of the burn, didn't quite get it that time. Boom, hell yeah. Let's see if I can get the little gong here. Might be a tough ask here, but, oh, a little to the right. Oh, let's see if I can get this. Oh, come on now. Oh, so close. Oh, one more. Oh, it's just a little high. Boy, oh boy, I think that's it for the ammo we got for the subs. Man, the subs are just the way to shoot this thing. So fun, man. This is, I would say, a worthwhile purchase for what I got it for. I wouldn't have paid $900 for it. I wouldn't have paid what they originally came out asking for it, because it's just too much, in my opinion. $1,400, $1,200 for a CC75 upgrade. $699, $700. Great deal for what it is. And so I'm happy with it. I'm happy with this can and this pistol together. I mean, look at that, the Swiss assassin gun. It's beautiful. I dig it. Well, that's been another short little episode of PSR. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Guys, if you want to support me on Patreon, go right ahead. The link is in the description, as well as my merch. It does go a long way to help support the channel and make content. We love the YouTube algorithm. We love YouTube not recommending my videos. Maybe they just suck, but I like to think that probably a lot of it has to do with them not loving my content. Surprise, surprise. Anyway, till the next one. Thanks, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.